Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your backpack in Battle Glide. First, to access your backpack, you need to open the in-game menu. Simply press the Y button on your left controller or the B button on your right controller. Once the menu appears, you will see options for Backpack Left and Backpack Right. These are your primary storage areas for weapons and other useful gear. This initial step is crucial for organizing your arsenal effectively. Once you have the menu open, navigate to either the Backpack Left or Backpack Right option. From there, you can select any weapon you wish to store. For example, you might choose a 9mm pistol or a combat knife. Simply click on the item, and it will be assigned to that specific backpack slot. This allows you to carry multiple weapons without them cluttering your hands, ensuring you are always prepared for any encounter. Now that your weapons are stored, equipping them is incredibly intuitive. To retrieve an item, simply reach over your left or right shoulder, depending on where you stored it. This action will instantly pull the weapon into your corresponding hand. For instance, if you stored a rifle in your right backpack, reach over your right shoulder to grab it. This fluid motion allows for rapid weapon changes during intense combat situations, giving you a tactical advantage. To truly master Battle Glide, maximize your backpack usage. Always keep your primary and secondary weapons in easily reachable slots. Consider placing a pistol in one slot and a melee weapon in the other for versatile combat options. Practicing quick draws will significantly improve your reaction time in critical moments. Remember, an organized and efficiently used backpack is key to surviving and thriving in the game's dynamic environments, allowing for seamless transitions between different combat styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.